Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today, I will make stir-fry broccoli, carrots and mushrooms with chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts that are 560 grams for both. I now fillet them. I will use the chicken meat to make the stir fry, and I will use chicken bones to make the broth for the vegetable to boil. I now cut the chicken meat into small pieces. And now I have 410 grams of chicken meat, 250 grams broccoli, 220 grams mushroom, 160 grams carrots, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, tomato ketchup, pepper, a clove of garlic 4 grams, and half of shallot 12 grams. I cut the broccoli and mushrooms into small pieces. I cut the carrots thinly sliced into 5 or 6 millimeters, and the chopped garlic and shallot finely like this. I put the chicken bones and the liter of water into the pot. Turn the herb to high heat. Put a little salt into the water. While waiting for the water to boil, I now marinate the chicken meat. I put a half of seasoning powder, a half of sugar, a half of oyster sauce, a half of soy sauce, a little of pepper, and a little amount of tomato ketchup. Mix them well. Cover and put the bowl in the fridge. Now the water in the pot is starting to boil. You can see there is the layer of foam on the surface of the water. This needs removing from the broth. Turn the herb to low heat and take the chicken bones out of the broth. I put in the carrots. Turn the herb to high heat for 2 minutes, then turn down to low heat and boil them for 1 more minute. Now you can see it is served enough. I do not like them to become too soft, or for my taste, the stir fry will not taste good. I take them out and put into the bowl. I put the broccoli in to boil. Turn the herb to high heat for 1 minute, then turn down to low heat and take the broccoli out. Put them in the bowl. The way I boil the vegetables before stir frying is to preserve their colors and so that they can easily absorb the spices and give them similar softness that we can taste this in our mouths. Put the saucepan on the hob. Turn the hob to high heat. Put in a tablespoon of oil. put the shallot in and stir. After 20 seconds, put the garlic in and stir until it turns to yellow and have a fragrant smell. Pour a half of it in a small bowl. Put the saucepan back on the hob. Put the meat in and stir. Stir well until the meat looks firm as this. The spices have penetrated the meat now. Add a little of the broth to have the meat cook well. When the meat absorbs all the liquid, I add a little more broth to be sure the meat is cooked well and have the same softness as the vegetables. Turn off the heat and pour them into the bowl. Put the saucepan back on the hob. Turn the hob to high heat. Add the rest of the fried garlic and the shallot. Put the broccoli and carrots in. Add the rest of seasoning powder. The sugar. The soy sauce. And the oyster sauce. Stir quickly to mix them to soak up the spices. Pour them into the bowl. Put the saucepan back on the hob. Add the mushrooms and stir. Add the liquid of the chicken meat and stir. And then add a teaspoon of the broth if necessary. Turn the heat down and keep stirring as it fries. The mushrooms will release the liquid itself. At this point, add the meat and mix them well. Add the broccoli and carrots. Stir them for 1 minute. Now, it can be served by itself or with rice. You can watch the video how to cook a delicious rice meal. Incorporate with this meal. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy, please press like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. It will help if you could put your comments on this video so we can improve our future presentations. See you again.